Waiting for those hot and stretchy bread pieces in the pizza places can be really appetizing, but the homemade ones are always satisfying. Hi everyone, welcome to Lite Food, and today let's make a mushroom pizza. I will start with activating the dry yeast in warm water. The temperature of water should be around 90 to 100 degree Fahrenheit. And now I will let it to sit for 2 to 3 minutes. Meanwhile, I will take 1.5 cup of whole wheat flour for the dough, and I will add 1 cup of all-purpose flour to make the pizza a little bit stretchy. To this, I am going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar. This will feed the yeast as well as give sweetness to the crust. Half a tablespoon of salt. And a quick mix to all the dry ingredients. Now I will pour 1 tablespoon of olive oil or cooking oil to the flour and mix it. Once you're done with the mixing, pour the yeast soaked water to the flour. When you see a little bit of bubbles in the yeast water, that confirms that the yeast is live. To learn more about how yeast works in rising bread dough, please check the video links given in the description box. Mix the flour and all other ingredients to make a soft dough. Kneading is very important when you want your pizza crust to be soft. Now cover and keep the dough in a warm place for 3 to 4 hours. So it's been 3 to 4 hours now and the dough has doubled. Open and check the softness and texture. To make the pizza, you need a baking pan or tray that can hold the heat. So here I am using a 14-inch iron skillet. So first I am going to dust the dry flour on the skillet so that the dough doesn't stick to the bottom of the baking surface. Next I will keep the dough on it, and using the palm I will spread it all over the skillet to make the pizza base. I am making it thin, but after baking it will rise to the perfection. The pizza base is ready. Now I am going to add the sauce. Here I have a simple tomato sauce, and to make the homemade pizza sauce, watch the video given in the description box. Here I am adding half a cup of pizza sauce, but you can add a little more if you want. Spread the sauce all over the base. Next I will add 2/3 cup of shredded low-fat mozzarella cheese, and if you want to add more to make your pizza look like the restaurant one or more stretchy, then go for it. But it's healthy to add everything in moderation. Now I will add all the toppings on the cheese. I will start with 2 tablespoons of sweet corn kernels. Spread it all over. Next, sliced onion a little bit. And the bell peppers. When making at home, add as many as toppings you want. Next, jalapeno. You can also add olive. And finally, half a cup of sliced mushroom. I just pack my pizza with my favorite toppings, so I don't have to pick them from other slices while eating. And on the top, a little bit of salt and pepper powder, which are completely optional. And then handful of palm cheese. I just love the burnt palm taste, but you can avoid it. Now straight into the oven on 500 degree Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. Make sure to preheat the oven cause pizza should be always baked on high temperature. The mushroom pizza is looking delicious. The soft and crunchy crust with little cheese and a lot of toppings. Just perfect for my palate. So I'm going to cut a slice and eat it hot. Thanks for watching the video. All the details of the recipe and benefits of mushrooms are given in the description box. Do give it a look. We'll see you in one more video. Till then, goodbye, take care and stay healthy.